A single sneeze can travel up to 100 miles per hour, launching tiny droplets into the air like a microscopic storm, each droplet potentially carrying thousands of viruses or bacteria. Imagine millions of these droplets suspended in the air, swirling around in an invisible cloud, reaching distances of up to 26 feet. It's a powerful reminder of how interconnected our personal spaces are, turning a simple sneeze into an extraordinary display of nature's hidden forces. Next time you feel that tickle in your nose, remember the astonishing speed and reach of your body's natural reaction. It's more than just a sneeze, it's a high-speed jet of microscopic particles on a mission.